So, dude, this shoe was like a crazy mashup, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like Voltron. Remember Voltron was like all the lions come together and they form a big robot?
Yeah, like Power Rangers.
Power Rangers and Voltron, not the same.
What's up, C Squad? It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today, we're kick talking.
We are kick talking the Nike SB Dunk What the Paul. This is a kind of an early release from 2021. We got our hands on it thanks to our guys at Supreme Sneakers DMV. So I want to just get right into it. It's a shoe that came out this year. This is a tiny box, right?
Yeah.
This is definitely not my size. It's not your size. Maybe when you were a little Nigel. But we got our hands on it. This is for my guy's son, so little kid.
Yeah.
But we got our hands on it. The shoe's the same design, nevertheless. But wanted to look at it. You know, like I said, year in review. Wasn't able to get my hands on it. To buy one right now, the price on it is crazy high. I think they've come down a little, but the price is ridiculous. But you see it right here. It's a Nike SB Dunk. It's a size 4. So little kid size.
Yeah.
And what's the colors on that say?
Sport red, black varsity maize, rogue sport, maize varsity noir. So basically it's red, black, and yellow.
Is that what it is? That's what you're going with?
Yeah, sport red, black, varsity maize. What color is maize?
Maize is yellow.
Indubitably.
We're just gonna get right into it. How about that? Oh shit, before we do that, if it's your first time here or you're coming back, thanks for coming to see us again. But if it's your first time, do us a favor
and ring that notifications bell so you can get notified. Get that joint ringing for when we drop some new heat.
That's right.
You'll be the first person to get cooked.
Get cooked?
Because we're dropping heat, so they're gonna be the first person to get cooked. You feel me?
In a good way.
Yeah,
all right,
right
you
now.
want to get cooked. Let's get right into this shoe, man. All right, the What the Paul.
That is something.
Isn't it?
Yes, indeed.
Colorful, 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 colorful.
Something sick.
We got some extra laces. They kind of tied into the shoe.
Yeah.
That's all right. Look at this, man.
That is, this is kind of rad. Like, this is actually sick. Look at this. Look at the buckle on the shoelace.
Oh.
You see the shoelace buckle? That is sick.
I see one on this one. And they're different.
This says World Champion XB 15 SB. There's also a signature that says Paul Rodriguez.
Paul Rodriguez. So yeah, if you don't know, What the Paul is the signature shoe for Paul Rodriguez, who's a highly decorated skateboarder.
Yeah.
And funny fact about this Paul Rodriguez kid is his dad. I grew up in the '80s. His dad is Paul Rodriguez Sr., who was a famous comedian and used to be on TV shows like all the time back in the '80s. He's a real funny guy.
Yeah.
I haven't seen him lately, but yeah, his son somehow became like a world-class skateboarder.
That's sick.
Has a Nike deal.
Wow.
And has had multiple shoes with Nike.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is, his signature shoe. So this shoe, as you can see, so the What the series, just like we just talked about recently. The camo, the patchwork were kind of like a What the take because each shoe is different.
Yeah, right.
But it's not technically, but it's similar because each shoe
is just a collection of random stuff.
Right, and each shoe stands by itself. So like this one is totally different. So now we can have a battle. Do you like the left shoe versus the right shoe more? Yeah. And this shoe is like a mashup of about 20 different dunks.
For real?
Yeah. So every
cool.
piece on here is from a different shoe. So you got the elephant print that's in gray. You got this part on the toe box here. You got
I need to find out what shoe this is from because this is a sick little piece that they have right here.
Yeah.
You know what that's from?
I don't. I've seen some videos where we've talked about like exactly which shoe each piece came from.
Yeah.
But that's a lot. That's a lot to research in detail.
Yeah, but that looks sick though. I need to find that out.
I like this part. This looks like a kind of like the blankets, like a poncho that you like the Mexican poncho.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, like that.
And like multiple colors on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then you also get the Mexican colors on the bottom.
Yeah. When I first started, I thought it was Italia.
Right. No, this is Mexico, like a Mexico flag type of situation.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. And look at all the the swooshes are all different. You look at this swoosh. Then that swoosh.
Right, and then
you got
we have like we have a
stitch.
tiny swoosh, but then like a stitch silhouette of a swoosh, and then we have another regular swoosh that's in a whole different color.
Yeah,
literally every single piece on this thing is different from all the rest.
Everything.
This is awesome, man.
The tongue is different, and this has Rodriguez, and then a little something, some kind of print on there. I don't know what that says.
Let me see.
Right on the tongue.
It says, what you guess? Nike SB.
Oh, there you go. Nice. Nike SB.
Yeah.
And then you got the signature on here. The laces are different. They've got the different medallions. I don't know, like SNS or something on here.
Let me see. I got you. It's okay, then. I'll read it for you.
Hey.
It either says SNS or SHS or
S5
5H5 or 5N5. So I don't know.
Yeah, there's some significance to it. Look, this one has a gum sole on the bottom. Right?
Oh.
The gum sole.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. That's why I said,
because I had a large you thought it was soft or something, like gum. I don't know. We got more multicolored laces. I don't know what you would do with these. More red and yellow. I guess you could just match them up. So it's like one of each. And then you got this neon highlighter yellow green situation there. But I think these are fire,
this
man.
Is sick. I agree. All right, Dad.
Yeah.
But here's the deal. These are like completely different, right? And we
totally
both love them.
Yeah.
But like you said earlier,
we
got to do a head-to-head, like
team left shoe,
which
team
one
right
you feeling
shoe.
more?
I think I know where I'm leaning.
I have absolutely no idea.
No?
Because I'm getting like different aspects from each of these.
Would you rock these?
I would definitely 100% rock them.
Yeah?
I love them.
Yeah.
These are sick.
They are.
But I don't know which one I'm feeling more, because like this one, that's just like this lace buckle. I love that. And the piece right here I love.
Yeah.
But then on this one, I love the Mexican colors that are around the sole and the bottom.
This kind of reminds me of like a cowboy or like a Mexican soldier, or like maybe like the Mexican guys that like play the guitars with the sombreros, the outfit. No? This one is like somebody spilled some paint on the toe box on this one.
That's sick though.
Yeah, I love it, man.
Yeah, but Dad.
Yeah.
Look, you said you definitely know which one you're feeling more, right?
I think so.
Which one?
I am team left shoe.
Team left shoe?
Yeah. Let me give those watching a view of team of left shoe. So you got the spilled paint on the toe box, the elephant print. You got all of this around the other section. You got this material here. This is almost like look like craters, like a moon rock there. Then you got some subway tile here. This is like the Sean Cliver dunks. I know I've seen those. The padding on the tongue is super padded. This one has like a drip looking, the Ben & Jerry.
Really a dunk guy. You're really a shoeologist, man.
I'm just thinking off the top of my head, kind of where they come from, man. Some of these components. You know, I got some stuff in my head, man.
You know what, Dad?
Yep. What's up?
After close, careful consideration, observation of both of these shoes,
did I sway him or no?
I'm gonna have to agree with you.
Oh,
yes.
Really? Okay, you're agreeing with me.
Yeah, man. That left shoe, like I love them. I love both of them, man. It's a hard decision, but this one, like, they're both just like a collection of a bunch of like random colors and materials and stuff. But I feel like this one, it's more diverse than the other one. Like this one is more uniform, and
like this one ties together, like it comes, it gels together more.
Right, all the colors on it, like it's a bunch of different stuff, but the colors match more. So you know,
and that side does not.
Right, it's too diverse for me. I don't really like diversity.
You don't like diversity?
Nah.
What? All right, we're recording this late, y'all. All right, what's your rating of the What the P-Rod, Nigel?
I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10, bro. I love them. Like, honestly, as soon as they came out the box, I was like, yo, this is insanely sick.
My man Nigel Seed over here giving out 10 out of 10s like candy.
I love the shoes, man.
All right, we've been hitting on some 10s lately, then.
All right, okay. What you think?
9.5 out of 10.
What's rounds 2?
10 out of 10.
Exactly.
This is fire. I can't lie.
Yeah.
But thanks for hanging out. I'm glad we got these in hand, even if they're small shoe. Shout out to Supreme Sneakers DMV. Hit them up. And we'll see you guys on the next one on the Flippity Flip. Peace.